Hello everyone, Giang Brooke here. So I'm going to share with you my journey. So you might see that Premier Global Hair Academy, but I haven't shared my true story, so you might not know. So today I'm so excited to share with you so you will know who I am, what I do, and how I can help you, hairstylist and salon owner, grow your business and bring your business to the next level. So I came to Australia about 10 years ago. So back then in Vietnam, I owned the hair salon, worked with 10 staff that helping me and run the hair salon. So I worked 7 days a week and I made a lot of money. I was a superstar in my industry. I worked with celebrity and I absolutely killing it. But then I came to Australia, bang! Oh my gosh, I came to Australia with no English, no qualification, no network, and I didn't know anyone except my husband. But I wasn't changed. It's still me, it's still young. So I remember one thing very clearly. Australia doesn't care that if I can speak English or not. They care about whether I can help them make money, or they care if I am positive, driven, or bring successful. That's what truly matters. So I had to start over again. I failed, I picked myself up, and I keep going. I don't just do hair, I change lives. So for me, it's always people first, hair second. I'm not just only care about my client looks, I care about how they feel. Because you shift your mindset and start focus on your customer needs. Everything else follows. The money will come. The quality of life will improve. Your dream will become reality. But one thing I want to say that you can hear my accent, right? I speak English just okay. I still improve and learn every single day. Sometimes I'm missing the words, but that's I say to myself, it not need to be perfect, just need to improve every day and I will be fine. And that's the mindset and that keep me going. And today I'm here to share with you everything I can help you. So now, if you ask the question, what I am doing for you, why I'm here, and what Premier Global Hair Academy can help you in your journey, in your lives, and your business. Now, Premier Global Hair Academy, what I am doing for you, I'm not going to teach you the basic hairdressing skill. Alright? If you come to my hair academy, I expect that you can cut the hair, you can do the color hair, you have some experience. Now, what I want to understand is, where are you in your journey? I assume that you can some capability. You have applied your skill in the salon. You have worked 1, 2, 3 years. That means your competence is growing. You are start become skilled. You are doing okay. But I'm here for the people who want more. From skilled to mastery. I'm here for hairstylists who want to take their skill, capability, and confidence to next level. I can bring you to mastery because I have already done this. I have applied my skill in Vietnam and Australia. I built a high value clientele. But this is not all I do. I also help you translate your skill for your customer. But because at the end of the day, you can be a great hair cutter, you can do great color hair transformation, you can have salon experience. But none of that translate into performance unless you can communicate it to your clients. What truly matters? Performance and high demands. I am here to help you with the part of truly matters. Performance at the highest level, building the highest value, creating a reputation that puts you in a different bucket, charging premium price for your services. When you master this, you will no longer push your service. Instead, client will come to you. You will become in demand. Client will chase you instead you chasing them. In my opinion, skill alone is not enough. If you can be a great cutter, great hairstylist, hair transformation expert, you may have worked with the salon for 5 years. Yes, you are confident, but mastery is different. Mastery is take your skill, translating them through your personality. Use your communication, learning how to communicate effectively. This is where most hairstylists stop. I push you past this limit. I take you from competent to performer. I help you to add the most value to your clients. So most hairstylists become very competent, get really good at hairdressing, build a client's base. But a few reach the higher level, the level where clients come to use because of your reputation and values. So I want to make very clear who is this for and who is not for. If you are a hairstylist who want to be a great haircut, someone who want to do transformation, someone who wants to be confident in their work, then this is not for you. I am here for people who want to reach to the next level, people who want to become true matters, people who want to master their clients' communication and engagement, people who want deeply understand clients' needs to the point that where you can give clients what they didn't even know they wanted. That is the ultimate level of performance. That is what adds value to your clients. The top 5% versus the rest. If you just want to be an okay hairdresser, good at your job, go to work and going home, that is fine. But that is not what Premier Global Hair Academy is about. We don't train average hairstylists. We are about mastery. We are about taking clients' experience to the highest level. We are about becoming the top 5 to 10% of the hairstylists. We are here to create the highest performers in industry. If you want to be the 95% of average hairstylists, that's okay. but I'm here for the 5% who want to be the best of the best. If you want to reach the mastery, I will show you how. If you want to attract the high value clients, I will help you to do that. If you want to be the top 5%, this program is for you. So I help hairstylists go beyond skill. I help them to become high performance experts. That's client trust, respect, and pay premium price for.